वास्ता हो गए, जाने कहाँ खो गए।
So guys, this was a small teaser of my upcoming song. मेरा वो song जो 27th को रिलीज हो रहा है, ये उसका एक छोटा सा मैंने आपको पोर्शन सुनाया. I'm sure that you will fall in love the way I love this song. The name is Pain. So keep watching and keep logged on, and must subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya, and I'll be waiting for your feedback on 27th of October.